Most people drive their truck from the driver's seat. I'm gonna attempt to drive mine from 19 feet in the air. Shifting gears.
Steer up there? I don't know what the legality of that is.
Oh my.
Are you okay?
I put a crow's nest on my truck a couple weeks ago, but then I thought, why stop there? You know what's better than riding 19 feet in the air? Driving 19 feet up in the air. Genius! For those of you who saw the last video, you know that I tried this in kind of a half-ass way. Ropes are set. Abandoned ship! Yeah, it didn't go well. But I have redeveloped the design, and we're coming back for round 2. It's gonna be smooth, I promise. I can't promise that, but I can promise that something is gonna happen. Good or bad. And if this one goes wrong, well, I'll just develop something else. Okay, let's start. And before we even started testing, I was running into challenges. I have to get this to the testing site, which is proving to be slightly more difficult than I thought. It's like having a mini steering wheel, it's great. Can't turn it fast enough. Oh, shit. Well, this is a disaster. Puzzle, that's all this is. I hate puzzles. I just hope something like this doesn't happen while I'm up in the air. It's perfectly fine. I'm only slicing my thighs open with the steel. Oh. What am I doing? Made it to the testing grounds. Crud. As always, Carson performs with flawless execution and flawlessness. After that horrifying experience, it was time to begin the real challenge. Testing, which happened in 3 different phases. The slow as shit workout the kink speed, the slightly faster but still slow as shit speed where I started taking it on the road, and then the oh fuck, this is terrifyingly faster speed where I almost died. This is how this is gonna work. We've got both lines wrapped in opposite directions, this one going this way. Got the reins going from the pulleys on the doors, coming right up to the crow's nest. Stand up here. Wee, woo, woo. Nerves are kicking in, let's do this. Start off nice and slow. 4 low, first gear. Okay, ready? Start turning left, look at the tires moving. Them tires moving, woo! The only problem is it is kind of difficult to turn quickly. Definitely can handle more speed right now. Now here comes the hard part, the dismount. Just get her going as far as you can that way. Drop the lines, run, run, run. Get a little closer. Nailed it. We'll turn up the speed a little bit and then we'll hit the road. Hardest part is starting and running up the ladder and then stopping and running back down the ladder. I may just be the most brilliant man of our generation. And after seeing this, no one can deny it. Here we go, lads. Got her down in second there. I don't even know if it has enough power without me touching the accelerator to do this, but you know, the more you f around, the more you find out. Yes, it does, that's fast. Oh, so smooth. That's how we like it. Hell yeah. And we're just gonna take it right over to the road now. I don't even know if it has enough power to get up this teeny hill. Come on, old blue. Come on, girl. Woo! Yip, yip. This is as fast as I can go. If I put myself in the 3rd gear, it would stall out. It's like having a peaceful stroll in the evening.
I gotta ask.
And of course, the first car that we ran into on the road was the Forest Service.
You see, I had this crazy idea to just put a crow's nest in my truck and see if it stands up. Okay. Using it for anything or just? No, just I'm messing around. Gonna steer up there? Just sticking it 4 low, first gear, and go around the circle. I don't know what the legality of that is, but that's pretty wild. Yeah. Sorry, just not something I see every day. No, I don't blame you. I'm trying to keep it off the main road so it's not hurting anybody or anything. Where you at? I live just right down here on Are you doing any hunting and fishing? No, not with that, no. Are you setting up a hunting stand before driving, or are you driving? No. You know, with the hunt? Well, you guys have a good rest of your day. You too.
It's time to hit the road. Ignore the blue tape. Why spend the time to put something on right when you can use tape? Ow! My thigh. I just ripped my pants. Oh well. 2nd gear. Ready, go. I can't get my pants out. This one's gonna be cutting it close. Pull the left one to turn right. Pull the right one to turn left. That's the only thing you need to remember. Oh shit, I'm turning the wrong direction, Carson. Confused myself there. See that house back there? I have pissed this guy off numerous times. Let's just hope he's not home. Nothing to see here, bucko. Whoa, I almost drove off the road. Goody goody gumdrops. Bye bye, buddy. Just gonna continue on down the road. Oh look, see, it's great for like orchard picking. You just drive down your orchard, you know, you see these apples over here, and you come over here and you pick one. Pop. That's a pine cone, but you know, you get the idea. We need to pick up more speed. I have a plan. Dismount. Carson with the speed. Oh. That hurt like a mother. Oh, my knees just lost like 20 years right there. Who wants to give me their knees? Speed test number 3. I had to, you know, hire some help. We're gonna have someone in there. They're not gonna touch the steering wheel. That's gonna be all me. And they're just gonna work on accelerating and shifting through the gears. Should be fine, I hope. Here we go, boys and gals. Mainly boys, because it's only men that watch me. Men love me, it's weird. Okay, go ahead and start her up. Here we go. This is terrifying. I can only hold on to the reins, so... Holy shit! Shifting gears? Holy shit. Yeah. Oh my fucking hell. Oh, gotta try to avoid those fucking holes. Oh my god. I'm cutting circulation off my middle finger there, holding it so fucking tight. Shit. Big turn, big turn, big turn. Holding on is the hardest fucking part of this whole thing. God damn, it's fucking terrifying, not gonna lie. Sure hope no one's coming around that corner, because they're... Oh, fuck. I was not paying attention to the branches. I was trying to stay on the right side of the road. That branch to the face fucking hurt. I've cut the circulation off in my right hand. Look at my fucking middle finger right there. You see that? Branch, branch, branch. Corner. Fucking branch. I've got like pine needles in my mouth and I can't spit them out because my helmet's in the way. The bumps are scary as shit because you can't hold on. You're just getting... My fucking hips are getting destroyed up here. Branch, branch, branch.
Are you okay?
I'm just kidding, I didn't actually fall out. But it hurt like a mother. I got slightly dazed from getting hit by the branches, and then the reins wrapped up around the steering wheel. I would have been deep in the trees off the road and probably tipped over if it wasn't for my brother in the front seat. Since I developed a very successful steering mechanism, let me know if you want me to continue with the project, like adding the brake and accelerator up top, even figuring out how to shift from up there. My genius strikes again.